Good morning, children.
Good morning,
Good morning
ma'am.
to all.
Good morning,
Not
ma'am.
energetic. Say good
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, how was your vacation, children?
Very good, ma'am.
Okay. So, shall we start the class now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, children. Last class, I remember one problem was there. Lines and angles. Our chapter is lines and angles, and one problem was there, and I couldn't finish it. Only half I finished, and you were not giving the answers to me directly, so I explained it again and again and told that I'll explain the next class. So after that, vacation started. So we are doing the same question again. Do you remember that question? Yes, children?
No, ma'am.
Do you remember that question?
No, ma'am.
Yes. You don't remember that question, okay. The question is, the ray OS stands on a line POQ. Take your notes. Just check, flip your pages. Just check whether that question is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The ray OS stands on a line POQ. Ray OR and OT are the angle bisectors of angle POS and angle SOQ. If angle POS equal to X, find angle ROT. This was the question. Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then I don't know whether you understood or not from the beginning. I explained it. I took half an hour to explain those. I think you did not understand it. I'll explain it once again. Okay, children? So read that question. The ray OS stands on a line POQ. The question starts like that. The ray OS stands on a line POQ. That means there is a line POQ. So a line POQ. So you should understand what is the angle of a line. So from that sentence, you should understand the ray OS stands on a line POQ. So there is a line POQ and there is a ray OS. Isn't it? Did you understand? Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
So there is a ray OS and it stands on a line POQ. Okay, children? Now at least you respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there is a line POQ. There is a line P, O and Q. There is a line POQ. Can you see the board, children?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute. One minute, children. Check whether you can see the board.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. There is a ray OS stands on a line POQ. So there is a line. You understood that? There is a line.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You know what is the degree measure of a line? What is
ma'am.
this angle called? 180 degree. Okay. So from that sentence, you will get this idea that the angle of this line, it is a straight angle and this measure is 180 degree. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that? So,
Yes, ma'am.
so this is 180 degree. The shape of the angle is like a protractor and it is 180 degree. And there is a ray OS on this line. Ray OS on this line. It is when I draw this, you will think that it is 90 degree, but it is simply, it is not given any type of angle. It is ray OS like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ray OS. We don't know what is the measure of it.
Linear pair.
Linear pair, good. Linear pair 180 degree, okay. And ray OS stands on a line POQ. This much was given in the question. Again, it is given that. So you should understand what is the total measure of it. It is 180 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, again it is given that ray OR and ray OT are the angle bisectors of angle POS. Can you find angle POS? Can you find, children, angle POS?
Yes, ma'am.
POS. So there is a ray to bisect this angle. POS. Angle POS, there is a ray and the name of the ray is OR. Now, let me ask you, do you know what is an angle bisector?
Yes, ma'am.
You know it is an angle bisector. Angle bisector means
Which
a
divides?
line or a ray which divides the angle into two equal halves. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is 60 degree, suppose it is 60 degree. What is the measure of it?
30 degree.
30 degree, 30 degree. This is the meaning of angle bisector. Okay, children. Now I'll give you the measure of it. Let us take the measure of it as x. X. The measure of this angle as x. Can you see that shaded part?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you see that shaded part? The measure of that angle is x. So now can you give these two small angles? Total is x and OR is the angle bisector. So what is the measure of these two small angles?
X by
30.
By
Yes?
X by 2.
X by 2, X by 2. Very good. X by 2. Half of it. X by 2 and X by 2. This much did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So angle POS is X. So OR is the bisector of it. So both will be bisected. And it is X by 2 and X by 2.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
children. Now you just think about it. It is a linear pair. It is a linear pair. So total is, how much is the total?
180.
180. Total is 180. And we have taken this measure as x. So what about this? The other part.
180 minus X.
Very good, Ashik. It is 180 minus x. Okay, only Ashik is telling the answer. I don't know whether you all remember or not.
Yes, ma'am.
All this. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Rose, Savio, Prajod, Arjun. Answer me. Okay, children. Suppose this angle is, if this angle is 100, what is the other part of it?
180 minus
180 minus 100.
80 degree.
Right. 180 minus 100. So if it is x, the other part will be
180 minus X.
180 minus x. Very good. So this part is 180 minus x.
Yes,
And it is again given in the question that there is a ray OT. There is a ray OT which bisect this angle. Which bisect this green color angle. Can you see that green color which I shaded?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So there are two angle bisectors. One is OR. That divides this part.
Yes,
Other
ma'am.
part of the angle. Left part. And there is a ray OT, that green ray, which divides the other part, this side, right side and left side. So it divides like this. So you already told that it is 180 minus x. So can you give these two angles? How much is this? It is the bisector.
40, 40.
No, Ashik. See, Ashik, this is, children, see, this is x. So both the parts are x by 2 and x by 2.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
children, left side x. So when we draw the angle bisector, it divided into two parts, x by 2 and x by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
And I will give one more example. If it is 100, it is given that it is 100. I have given one example, 100 degree. I'll give another color. See, so that you can understand. Okay, children. This is 100. Can you see that 100 which I marked now?
Yes, ma'am.
So what about this angle? If that is 100, what about this angle?
80.
80.
80. Oh, this is Ashik told 40, 40. Good. So it is 80. Okay, 80. So when we draw the angle bisector, the angle is divided into two equal parts. So 80 is divided into
2.
two equal parts. What are the equal parts?
80 by 2.
80 by 2. That is 40 and 40.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
this 40 and this 80, 100 and all I have given as an example. Instead
Ma'am,
of
why
80, 100, it is
Y by 2 by
X.
2.
So this angle is 180 minus X.
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of 80, it is 180 minus X. So you have to give equal parts. 180 minus X equal parts to both the angles.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the half of 180 minus X? What is these two equal parts? One is 180 minus X by 2 and other is 180 minus X by 2. Did you understand that?
Yes.
Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me ask you. See, children, one part is X. So it is divided into two equal parts. That is X by 2 and X by 2. Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
So if we give X, it is a linear pair. Total angle is 180. So the other part, this side, it is 180 minus X.
Yes,
When
ma'am.
we give that ray, OT, which bisect this 180 minus X, you will get both the parts as, equal parts as 180 minus X by 2, 180 minus X by 2. Now
Ma'am,
did you
90
understand?
minus X.
Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, once more I'll draw, once more. Okay, children? I'll draw the figure once more. See, children, it is very important that you have to understand and go, okay?
Ma'am, 90 minus X. 90 minus
Wait. Yes, I understood. See, children, this is X. Total is X. So this will be 180 minus X. This much you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children? So when we draw a ray as an angle bisector, okay,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
divided into two equal parts. Yes, children? If it is X, this part will be X by 2, X by 2. Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Again, if it is 180 minus X, this part will be 180 minus X by 2. 180 minus X by 2. See, children, 180 minus X by 2 is 180 by 2 minus X by 2. What is 180 by 2? You are dividing both by 2, right?
90
This is 180 minus X. Yes. 90 minus
to X.
X by 2. You can divide 180 by 2. It is 90. But X by 2 you should write like that itself.
Yes, ma'am.
180 by 2 is 90. But X by 2 is write like that. It is X by 2 itself. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this part you can write as 90 minus X by 2 and 90 minus X by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Melvin, yawning? Melvin? Are you listening, Melvin? Okay, children. Now there are 4 angles. Can you did you understand the 4 angles here?
Yes, ma'am.
One is X by 2. That equal part is X by 2. And the next part is 90 minus X by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
And the 4th angle is 90 minus X by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now look at our question. Find angle ROT. One more time. Let me write this. POQ, ray OR, OS, OT. We have to find this angle, ROT. We have to find this angle, which I marked now. It is the question, which I marked now. This angle. Did you understand what is that angle?
Yes, ma'am.
That red angle is a combination of, is a sum of two angles.
X
Isn't
by
it,
2
children?
and
It's a sum of two angles.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'll ask one person.
I say, ma'am.
Okay, children. It is the sum of two angles. Did you understand what are the two angles? Prajod, will you give the answer? Prajod, this is the question, angle ROT. It is a sum of two angles. What are the two angles, Prajod? Yes?
Can you repeat the question?
See, Prajod, ROT. Can you see ROT? Angle ROT.
Ma'am.
Can you see angle ROT here?
Ma'am.
Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
It is the sum of two angles. Okay? Prajod? Prajod?
Ma'am.
It is sum of two angles. Can you find two angles here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Prajod, can you find out two angles here? Can you hear me? Prajod?
Ma'am, can I say?
Who is that?
Ashik, ma'am.
Ashik, wait. I think Prajod cannot hear me, or I don't know whether he is not answering me. Anyone knows the answer other than Ashik?
Why, ma'am?
Other than
X by
Ashik.
2 and 90 minus X by 2.
Yes. Who is telling the answer? Aman Shakir, good. Okay, children. So this is the combination of, that means it is a sum of two angles. And those angles are angle ROS. Angle ROS plus angle SOT. Can you write the measurement of those angles? Angle ROS. Can you find angle ROS? What is the measurement of angle ROS?
X by 3.
X by 2. Good. X by 2 plus what is SOT?
90 minus
90 minus
90 minus X by 2. Very good, children. 90 minus X by 2. So this is the measurement of that angle. Now do you look at the sum? Is there any speciality? Yes, children?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Can you cancel any number? Any term there?
Yes.
X by 2 and minus X by 2.
Very good. X by 2 and minus X by 2 is cancelled, and our answer is 90 degree.
90.
Now I hope you understood it.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
children? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Only one person is answering.
Ashik is answering.
Yes, no, yes, no.
Yes, no. Did you understand, children? You want one more explanation? I think you understood it and you are not telling the answer.
Ma'am, we understood, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, children, I'll give the steps to you now.
Yes, ma'am.
You have written you have drawn the figure, I think. Isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Ma'am, we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
read question 1 also.
Yes. Equation 1 also. Once more I'll write. Okay, children? Okay. I'll write it. It is the proof. Ray OS stands on a line. You can complete it. Stands on the line POQ. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. You can write it. Okay, complete it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Ray or bisect. You can write your own. Okay, you write your own. Did you understand it properly? Then you can write the steps. I'll look at the board if you have any doubt. You can complete yourself, and if you have any doubt, you look at the board. Okay, children? This is second time I am explaining. Yes, children, it is a very important chapter, and almost all the questions are like this to prove. And it is very easy also.
I'm finished, ma'am.
Yes, Ashik. Have you written it? Shall I give the next question?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish it first.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, do we need to write these questions in graph paper?
Yes, yes, Ashik, sorry.
Do we need to write these questions in graph paper?
In your notes,
Yes, ma'am.
it is important. You have your notes with you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, to complete your notes, and it's a very important question. All this chapter, all the questions are important. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, you are only 25 students reached. Vishnupriya, Savio, Rose, Rizwan, Rifa, Johan, Meghna, Melvin, Nas, Hen, Steve, Hadi, Aditya, Arjun. So many are absent today.
Ma'am, I am present.
Hen, Steve, Johan, Meghna, Melvin, Adidev, Pratyush, Rose, Savio, Vishnupriya. Vishnu was there, and where is he now? Okay, children. Now I'll give the next question.
Ma'am,
Yes? Shall I give the next question?
Ma'am.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. See, children. Question is, write the question. Second question.
Ma'am, ninth question.
Ninth question. Okay. Ninth question. Lines AB and CD. You can write the question. Lines AB and CD. Lines AB and CD intersect at O. Intersect at O. At O.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If angle AOC, if angle AOC plus angle BOE, BOE equal to 70 degree, angle BOD equal to 40 degree, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll draw the figure.
And that is AO only.
AB and CD are the two lines intersected to O.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll show the question again. This is the question. AB and CD intersect at O. AB and CD intersect at O.
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you see the question, children? Did you see it properly? AB and CD intersect at O. So AB and CD are two lines and they intersect at O. Okay. If angle AOC plus angle BOE, that means this AOC and this angle. When you add these two angles, you will get 70 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not given separately this angle, but the sum is given as 70 degree. That means when you add these two angles, which I shaded now, when you add these two angles, you will get 70 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now did you understand anything from that? All of you, think about it. When you add these two angles, you will get 70 degree. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when you add these two angles, you will get 70 degree. Did you understand that?
No alternate angles only.
No alternate angles. All of you listen to it.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you. Children, listen. When you add these two angles, you will get 70 degree, okay? Can you find the angle of these total how much?
180.
180 degree.
180
So when you add these two angles, it is 70 degree. So can you find this angle?
180 minus 70, ma'am.
Yes, 180 minus 70. Did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Adidev?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you add these two angles, it is 70 degree. So in this there are three angles and both the sides left and right if you add you will get 70 degree and total it is 180 degree. Total 180 degree. Okay children. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
small angle inside this middle angle is 180 minus
70.
70 and it is 110, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It is 110. Now look at the question. What all types of angles we have to find? We have to find angle BOE. Find angle BOE. And children, one more angle is given. This angle is given.
Yes, ma'am.
How much? 40 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll draw it again. Now we found something which helps our answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is AB and CD intersect at O. Okay. Now you found this angle as 110.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
children. Now it is given in the question that this angle is 40 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to find this angle. It is given that AB and CD are two lines. AB and CD are two lines. Whenever it is given that there are two lines, you have to think without any doubt.
70.
Who told that answer? Melvin. Okay. AB and CD. Okay, Melvin, wait. See.
A linear pair.
Where is linear pair here? AB, line AB and CD, right? Line AB and CD. That green line just now I marked, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is also a linear pair because it is given that AB and CD are two lines. So this angle is
180 degree.
how much? 180. Okay, 180. And we found this is 110 and this is 40. So in between
180 minus
how
40.
much?
180 minus 40 only.
30.
30.
180 minus 150.
180 minus 150 because 110 plus 40 when you add you will get 150 and this angle is 180 minus 150 and it is 30 degree. Did you understand that? Because
ma'am.
this is a line. This is 110 and this is 40. So when you add that you will get 150 and total is 180. So that middle angle is
30.
180 minus 150 and it is 30 degree.
30.
Okay children?
Yes, ma'am.
So one angle we got that is 30 degree. And one more we have to find reflex angle of COE. We have to find reflex angle of COE. COE is 110
Yes, ma'am.
and the reflex angle, other part of it. Reflex angle, how will you find? How will you find children reflex angle? How will you find?
Don't know, ma'am.
See children, this is, if this is 80 degree, 60 degree, the reflex angle is the other part of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Total how much?
180.
Total? No, total.
360.
Total of like a circle.
360.
360. If one angle is 60 degree, what is the other part?
360 minus 60.
360 minus 60. When you want to find a reflex angle, you have to subtract it from 360, right?
Ma'am, so 360 minus 30 only.
No. This is 110's reflex angle. 110's reflex angle.
Then 360
Children,
minus-
110's reflex angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand? Others are not telling the answers. See, this is 110. Its
ma'am.
reflex angle is the other part of it.
360 minus 110.
So reflex angle you have to find like this. You have to subtract it from 360. So what is the reflex angle? Reflex angle
3 minus 100.
250. Let me ask you.
250, ma'am.
Okay, Prajod, Hadi, Aman. Do you have any doubt? Aditya Nair. Only Ashik is telling the answer. I think only Ashik understood.
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll give the question to you. Answers. So the angle is 250. Okay, children, you can write the steps now. Angle AO C plus angle BOE plus angle COE equal to 180. 70 plus angle COE equal to 180. Angle COE equal to 180 minus 70 equal to 110. Now you can write reflex here itself. Reflex angle COE equal to 360 minus 110 equal to 250. Next step.
Yes, ma'am.
Next step I'll give. Next step is angle DOB plus angle BOE plus angle EOC equal to 180 degree. Angle BOE plus 100 plus 10 plus 40 equal to 180. So angle BOE plus 150 equal to 180. So angle BOE equal to 180 minus 150 equal to 30 degree. Did you understand, children? Now?
Ma'am.
Write the steps now. It is time to wind up the class. Write the steps fast.
Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
All of you,
No, ma'am.
write it fast, children. Okay, children, shall I wind up the class now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Rifa, best of luck. After this question, the problem is, that question is the which I have given you. Okay, Rifa? If you want, you can screen. Rifa is hearing. Rifa, can you hear me? Okay, if you want, you can screen share. I'll change the settings of it to ask. You can share. Participants can share screen. Okay. Okay, children. Okay, Rifa, best of luck. And all of you, those who are taking class, day after tomorrow. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much. Today, any period is there for us?
No, ma'am.
Any maths period is there, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am.